Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find an equation of a parabola using the x-intercepts. Let's start with problem number 3. The x-intercept form of a parabola is y equals to a times x minus p times x minus q. And p and q are the x-intercepts. So I can use 5 to insert for p, and I can use -2 to insert for q. And I'm looking for a, and that would be the equation of a parabola. So y equals a times x minus 5, because 5 is the x-intercept, times x minus a -2. And -2 is also an x-intercept. Now I simplify the equation. I have a times x minus 5 times x plus 2. Now to find a, I need the point x and y. And here's the point x and y. X is 3 and y is -5. So I use substitution. I put in 3 for x and -5 for y. So insert 3 in for x and -5 for y. And I get -5 equals a, because I'm solving for a, so I need to substitute x and y into the parabola equation. And my x is 3, so it's 3 minus 5 times 3 plus 2. And I simplify by subtracting 3 minus 5, -2, times 3 plus 2 is 5, equals -5. And -2 times 5 is -10a, equals -5. I divide both sides by -10. I get a equals 1/2. So now I have a complete solution for the parabola passing through the point 3 minus 5. And my solution is y equals a is 1/2. So I know my parabola is shrinking, stretching, and times x minus 5 times x plus 2. And I can leave my answer in the form of x-intercept, and that is my final solution. In example number 5, we're given the vertex and we want to write the equation of the parabola passing through the point 4, 9. So here is the vertex form. Given y equals a times x minus h square plus k, and the vertex is h and k. So now we substitute in the numbers. We have y equals a is what we want to find, how wide or how narrow the graph of the parabola is. It depends on a. The vertex given to us is -2, 5. So h is -2. We substitute in for h, x minus a -2 square, and our k is 5, so we write 5. So now we simplify, we get y equals a times x plus 2 square plus 5. In order to find a, we need the point x and y. The point x and y is given to us. X is 4. So now we substitute 4 into the equation of the parabola. We have a times x is 4 plus 2 square plus 5, and y is 9. So when we simplify, we are going to get 9 equals a times 6 square plus 5. That is 9 equals 6 times 6 is 36. So we have 36a plus 5. Subtracting 5 both sides, we have 36a equals 4. And now we can divide both sides by 36. 36, and a equals 1/9. Now we just found out the vertex form of the parabola, so let's write that down. Our answer is y equals a, which is 1/9, times x. Our vertex is minus a negative 2, which is plus 2 square, and k is 5. In example number 7, we need to identify all the features or characteristics of the parabola. So part A, vertex is right 1 down 2. So h is 1 and k is negative 2. Let's write that down. Our vertex is going to be at 1, comma, negative 2. The axis of symmetry is the line that divides the parabola in half. So it's x equals to 1 or h equals to 1. So we say axis of symmetry, x equals to 1. The domain for parabola, it's all real numbers. The range is where we start. If the parabola is pointing up, then it's greater. Anything starting from negative 2 and greater going up. So the range is y is greater than or equals to negative 2. Now let's look at the function at the axis of symmetry. At the axis of symmetry, the line of x equals to 1 divides the parabola in half. So we see that if we trace the graph going from left to the point x equals to 1, the parabola is decreasing, it's going down. The function is decreasing. So we say when x is less than 1, then y is decreasing because the graph is moving down. When we start at 1 and we move to the right, the graph is rising, so it's increasing. So we say when x is greater than 1, y is increasing. Now I'd like you to try problem number 4, 6, and 8. Good luck on your homework, and I will see you in the next video.